Hi, my name is Charlie Yeh, CEO of mFluiDx. Our mission is to enable rapid molecular diagnostics everywhere. Imagine you have a child, his name is Jacob. He has a wheezing cough and a cold. You send him to a doctor. The doctor would have 3 tools to diagnose his infection. First of all, the doctor would likely just look at the symptoms and take a guess, but this is highly error-prone. The second option, as you can see to your left, would be similar to your pregnancy test. It's called Dipstick Test. It's very fast. It's on-site. However, its sensitivity is low. That's in this case, because of the sensitivity, the disease is not detected. Jacob goes back home. After a couple of days, he gets even worse. Now he has to be hospitalized. And this is when the doctor would take the third option, which is called the PCR test, the DNA test. It is highly sensitive, but it was not first used because of its high cost and its low availability in primary care clinics. What if we could combine the best of 2 worlds to have a low-cost, on-site, and sensitive test? Jacob would have been correctly diagnosed on the first visit. And this is exactly what we are trying to do. This is the FastChip. Originally funded by the Gates Foundation and DARPA, they have sponsored $2 million in research. I have worked on this for 7 years, actually, since my PhD. And it is designed to detect both viral and bacterial targets. It is designed to be used in the primary care outpatient clinic space. The user protocol is very simple. You simply open the pouch. This is a chip. It's very small. And then you put the samples in. Then you put this chip into an optical reader. And results are analyzed automatically. We plan to make this chip 100 times lower cost than the current PCR solution. How is this possible? It is because we have invented a vacuum-based microfluidic technology that makes everything ultra low cost. Here, the sample is loaded into a chip automatically without any external equipment typically seen in microfluidic setups. We don't need pumps, controllers, valves, computers to load the chip. And that's why it's super low cost. You're seeing samples loading into hundreds of microwells. And in each of these microwells, we're running an individual DNA test. The test is as sensitive as PCR, and it is also quantitative. The more green dots that you see, that means the higher concentration of pathogen in your biosample. Because we have hundreds of microwells on the chip, we can see multiple diseases within the same chip. After detecting, you put the chip, the app will automatically analyze the results and send that to the doctor within 15 minutes. The business model is straightforward. We will sell to medical device distributors, and they will sell it to primary care clinics and get reimbursed by the patients and the insurance companies. We're glad to share that we participated in the NSF I-Core program. With this program, we have conducted 160 customer interviews in the entire ecosystem. We talked to distributors, competitors, investors, doctors, nurses, regulatory experts, and we basically built out a validated go-to-market strategy. We have identified a beachhead market with $2.6 billion and a follow-on target market of $7 billion with additional diseases. Our team is composed exclusively of Berkeley alum. I did my PhD in bioengineering. We have Alex, MBA, and we have 2 postdoctors and also a CS engineer, Arsh. We have world-class mentors helping us navigate through this space. These mentors are experts in molecular diagnostics with decades of experience. They are CTOs and CEOs of different corporations. We have filed 5 patents, and additionally, we have recently published in Science Advances. We're glad to share that this has been ranked as top 5% access paper across multiple journals. Also, we have commissioned our law firm to complete a freedom to operate analysis. And guess what? After they did that, they decided to invest in us. We're glad to share that we have been selected to participate in the Indy Accelerator program. It is the premier biotech accelerator in the Bay Area. We've also been selected from a global pool of 900 startups to be one of the top 20 to pitch at TechCrunch last year. Our target is to raise $2 million to get us to a minimal viable product. We are also hiring. Please do contact us if you're interested in this good fight. Thank you.